conjunction is used in the following sentence? The wind is blowing and the snow is beautiful.
Dixie, Chaya, and.
Incorrect. And is the conjunction in that sentence? We wanted the type of conjunction. It is a coordinating conjunction. 25 is 25% of what number?
Clay City, Reed.
100.
Correct. Vitamin C is an example of what type of vitamin that cannot be stored in the body?
Clay City, Hicks.
Vitamin D.
Incorrect. A vitamin that cannot be stored in the body is called a water-soluble vitamin. What are the Canadian equivalents to our states?
Clay City, Reed.
Providences.
Incorrect. The word is province. Who was the founder of Islam?
Dixie, Detchen.
Muhammad?
Correct. What is the two-word term for the cycle that describes the order in which living things feed upon other organisms?
Clay City, Hall.
Food chain.
Correct. Math question. Add 65 and negative 60.
Dixie, Detchen.
-5.
Incorrect.
Clay City, Reed.
125.
Incorrect. It is simply 5. What words should be capitalized in this book title? Swiss Family Robinson.
Clay City, Hall.
Swiss Family Robinson.
Correct. What figure of speech is illustrated in this sentence? The sun shone with a cheery smile on the land.
Clay City, Hall.
Simile.
Incorrect.
Dixie, Detchen.
Metaphor?
Metaphor. That is an example of a metaphor. We're going to take a short break, and when we come back, we'll meet with Dixie's captain. We're going to take just a few seconds, and we're going to speak with Todd Dutchin, who is the captain for Dixie. Your school's having some big happenings today. What's going on there?
Well, we're having Winterfest actually as we speak. It's like a small carnival where families can have fun together, and also it's a fundraiser for the PTA of Dixie.
Okay. And you all are getting, also the fifth level is getting ready to do what?
We're getting ready to start our 5th level play, which is just for the 5th level, because it's sort of like something that goes along with graduating. And it's called All American, and we just like sing and do small skits.
Okay. All right. That sounds like you all are busy and going to get busier as the year gets on. All right. Good luck to both teams, and let's continue. We're going to start with a math question. What mathematical symbol belongs in this inequality? 490 blank negative 789.
Dixie, guess.
Greater than.
Correct. Who invented the vaccine for smallpox?
Clay City, Hicks.
Edward Fleming.
Incorrect.
Dixie, guess.
Louis Fleming.
Incorrect. It was Edward Jenner. What is the longest river in the world?
Clay City, Hicks.
Nile.
The Nile River is. Who served as Party General Secretary of the USSR following Lenin's death and ruled the Soviet Union until his death in the 1950s? It was Stalin. Food is produced in what part of a plant?
Dixie, Detchen.
The stem?
Incorrect.
Clay City, Hall.
Roots.
Incorrect. Food is actually produced in the leaves of the plant. Multiply, please. 4/5 times 8/7. The answer on that is 32/35. What conjunction would best join these two independent clauses into a compound sentence? I feel healthier. I took up jogging.
Dixie, Chaya.
Because.
I'll accept it. Or since. What is the state capital of Illinois?
Clay City, Hicks.
Springfield.
Correct. Add these two numbers. -12 plus -4.
Dixie, Detchen.
-16.
Correct. In general, what name do we give to the type of burn that gives a white appearance to the skin and causes a loss of all layers?
Dixie, Guess.
3rd-degree burns.
Correct. What is the highest mountain in the world?
Clay City, Reed.
Mount Everest.
Correct. Add 1/3 and 1/7.
Clay City, Hall.
1/5.
Incorrect. It is 10/21. What word does the adverb very modify in this sentence? Christopher was very upset about... Excuse me, let me start that sentence again. Christopher was very upset after supper.
Dixie, Detchen.
Christopher.
Incorrect.
Clay City, Hicks.
Upset.
Upset is the word that it modifies. Add 456 and 901.
Clay City, Reed.
1,357.
Correct. How do tires with high air pressure requirements influence gas mileage?
Clay City, Hall.
Increase.
That is correct, by causing less friction against the road. We're going to take a short break, and when we come back, we'll start our final round. With lots of time left. Good luck. What will a farmer do with a cash crop?
Clay City, Reed.
Sell it.
Correct. Identify the preposition in this sentence. My brother Kent is in the Army.
Clay City, Hall.
In.
Correct. What organs in a fish's body receive the oxygen from the water?
Dixie, Detchen.
Gills.
Correct. Divide 26 4/10 by 12.
Clay City, Hall.
2 3/5.
Incorrect. It's actually 2 2/10. Identify the proper nouns in the following sentence. Sally lives near the bridge on High Street.
Dixie, Guess.
Sally at High Street.
Correct. What independent country developed from the Spanish colony of Hispaniola in the Caribbean?
Dixie, Guess.
Cuba.
Incorrect.
Clay City, Reed.
Dominican Republic.
That is correct, the Dominican Republic. Round the number 43 to the nearest 10.
Clay City, Reed.
40.
Correct. What city is Australia's oldest and most populous?
Clay City, Reed.
Sicily.
Incorrect. The city is Sydney. VCRs today have many special functions. Spell the word special.
Dixie, Guess.
SPECIAL.
That is correct. In what galaxy do we live?
Clay City, Hicks.
Milky Way.
Correct. What is the fifth step in the scientific method?
Dixie, Detchen.
Results.
Incorrect.
Clay City, Hicks.
Reproducing.
Incorrect. The fifth step is the conclusion. In the 25 years prior to 1920, 3 countries were defeated in battles or wars with Japan. Name one of those countries.
Clay City, Hicks.
Germany.
Incorrect.
Dixie Detchen,
China.
China is one of them. The other two were Russia and Korea. What is the greatest common factor of 24 and 9?
Clay City Hicks,
3.
3. Subtract 87 from 150.
Dixie Detchen,
73.
Incorrect.
Clay City Hall,
63.
63 is your correct answer. During the past few years, the death of what dictator led to the establishment of a democratic form of government in Spain? His name was Francisco Franco. What type of conjunction is used to connect the dependent and independent clauses of a complex sentence? The type of conjunction is a subordinating conjunction. What special measuring instrument used by scientists determined the strength of an earthquake?
Clay City Reed,
Richter scale.
Incorrect.
Dixie Detchen,
A seismograph.
Seismograph, we were looking for the instrument. What is the common term used by meteorologists for the movement of air?
Dixie Guess,
Jet stream.
Incorrect.
Clay City Reed,
Wind.
Wind is the movement of air. Who invented the electric light bulb?
Dixie Detchen,
Thomas Edison.
Correct. What present-day country in Europe was home of the Roman Empire?
Clay City Hicks,
Romania.
Incorrect.
Dixie Detchen,
Italy.
Italy. If 3 pounds of coffee cost $3.45, how much does 1 pound of coffee cost?
Dixie Detchen,
$1.15.
That is correct. What is the greatest common factor of the numbers 12 and 36?
Clay City Hicks,
6.
Incorrect.
Dixie Detchen,
36.
Incorrect. Greatest common factor is 12. What three-word term stands for the average income per person of a given country? It is per capita income. Name one of the 4 periods in the geologic time chart.
Clay City Reed,
Mesoic.
That is correct. The other 3 are Precambrian, Paleozoic, and Cenozoic. What were rulers in Russia called prior to the Bolshevik Revolution?
Clay City Reed,
Zares.
I'll accept it, or czars, as it's more commonly pronounced. Which of the following types of bones make up the arms and legs? Hollow bones, short bones, flat bones, brittle bones, or long bones?
Dixie Detchen,
Long bones.
That is correct. Multiply, please, 56 by 4.
Clay City Hicks,
244.
Incorrect.
Dixie Chaya,
224.
That is correct. What type of subject complement is used in the following sentence? Danielle is excited about her role in the play.
Dixie Detchen,
Excited.
Incorrect.
Clay City Hall,
Her.
Incorrect. The type of subject complement is a predicate adjective in this sentence. In mathematics, what is the term for the ability to predict the chance of a specific occurrence?
Clay City Hicks,
Estimate.
Incorrect.
Dixie Guess,
Hypothesis.
Incorrect. It is probability. Write the fraction 32/6 as a mixed number in simplest form.
Dixie Detchen,
Dixie has the opportunity to answer.
5 1/3.
That is correct. We'll be right back to recap our final scores. Our final score is Clay City 260 and Dixie 250. We'd like to thank both teams for a game very well played. Congratulate our winners. Thank you for joining us.
In the Know has been brought to you by the Ashland Oil family of companies, urging you to get involved. When parents help, just imagine how much more a child can learn. In the Know is a presentation of WLEX TV. Today, these two teams square off in second round action for